On the show this week, we are learning about how exercise slows the growth of cancer.
Yeah, it's real news you can use this week. It turns out that when you exercise your muscles, they start growing faster and their demand for food outcompetes the demand from cancer cells. So cancer grows more slowly when you exercise.
In mice, at least.
Yeah.
But it may be the same in humans.
So it involved scientists at Yale injecting breast cancer cells into 18 mice, 12 of which were obese, which can worsen the progression of certain types of cancers. So half of the overall 18 mice were free to run as much or as little as they wanted to on an exercise wheel. And then 4 weeks later, the scientists looked and they saw that the obese mice that chose to exercise had tumours that were 60% smaller than in those that didn't have access to the running wheel. And they were also slightly smaller than those in the non-obese sedentary mice.
And how did they determine how glucose comes into it?
Well, they observed that just 30 minutes of exercise is linked to an increase in the uptake of glucose in the mice's skeletal and cardiac muscles and a decreased uptake in tumours.
Right, so there really does seem to be this competing for the resource between the muscles and the cancer.